Today we're gonna talk about tires rotation. Rotating your tires is super important, and the reason is because you're gonna extend the life on those tires. You're gonna double it. You're gonna end up saving money. So what's the best way to do it? You should always check out your owner's manual and see if it says how to do it. But if not, on a front wheel drive car, the front wheels are gonna go straight back, the back wheels are gonna cross to the front. If you have a rear wheel drive, you're gonna do the opposite. So the rear wheels are gonna go straight front and the front wheels are gonna cross to the back of the car. That's the best way to do a tire rotation. Remember that you're just gonna save money by doing this because you're gonna extend the life of those tires. How often should you do this? They recommend that you should do it every 6,000 to every 8,000 miles. Personally, I think you should do it every oil change on that car, which is around 5,000 miles. But if not, you should at least do it every other oil change. That's it for today, guys, and take care.